What's up YouTube? Dave the Phone Guy here, and today I got another video for you. Today we're going to be unboxing the Mobvoi TicPods Pro 2. So, without further ado, let's just jump into the video. Alright guys, so these have the Qualcomm aptX audio codec. It's got head gesture controls, so I guess you can answer the phone with them, touch controls, dual mic noise cancellation. You can also activate your voice assistant with these, Bluetooth 5.0, and fast charging. So yeah, let's open these up. These are the Pro variant, and they were $129.99. You can get the non-pros for $99. We got the user guide here. We know we don't need those. Here's the actual headset. Let's get the... All right, so these remind me definitely of the Razer's Hammerhead headsets. They don't make these things easy sometimes. Whoa. Alright, we got the USB cables, we got TicPod Pro 2 user guide, and some silicone gel. That's it, that's what's in the box. So, let's fire it up, let's get it paired. I downloaded the app a little while ago, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a device. TicPod 2 Pro, so it says open the lid, double click the key till the indicator flashes. And you know these are dead, right? When I'm trying to make videos, this seems to happen a lot. So let's look at this. This top sucks. Why can't they make a better spring mechanism? So let's see how they feel. So they're tight. They feel very snug. Now there's no silicone gels for these, but they definitely feel snug. Like I could tell right away, these aren't going anywhere. They're very light. Check these out. Bang, bang. They feel good. What do you think? All right, so what I'm gonna do, guys, I gotta pause the video. I gotta charge these up for a few minutes just to get enough to get them paired. Then I will do a mic test. Yeah, we'll go from there. Maybe I'll try out the gesture controls. So hang tight, I'll be right back. Okay. Well, I'm back, and this was really dumb. So here's the deal. I'm spending 15-20 minutes. I can't get these to turn on. I'm thinking they're defective, and then I look a little bit closer. It has this little sticker right there on it, which is blocking the connectors. Why do we have that there? None of the other Bluetooth headsets that I've used have had that, so I was a little bit confused why these weren't working. We should be able to get these paired up now. Took the stickers off, they're in here. So I was messing with it a little bit. I couldn't get the app to pair, so I'm just gonna go into regular Bluetooth settings on my phone and see what we can do from there. So, pair new device, and it should pop up here. TicPods 2 Pro, give it access and pair. All right, so we are paired up at 78%. I'm gonna go into the app now and see if I can get that to work. All right, so it shows here, so it's all connected. It shows that the earpieces have 78% charge. Looks like there's a translator app in here, which is cool. I'll have to mess with that, see how that works. Let's put these suckers back in now that we're paired up. And let's listen to some music. We're gonna go to the YouTube Music app, and I am gonna play the top 100. All right, let's see. Here we go. Here comes the bass. These, right off the bat, sound way better than the Oppos. There's a lot of distortion in the Oppos. These are cleaner bass, not super heavy. Highs are good. I like them. I like how it sounds. All right, let's turn this off. I want to grab something. Be right back. I know this is the TicPod 2 Pro video, but I just want to do a quick comparison of the Razer Hammerheads here. Oh, they're in here. So as far as case size, definitely a smaller footprint overall, as you can see. And here's the one thing that I noticed right away is the right headphone is on the right side of the case, and the left, obviously, then is on the left. The Razers have it backwards, right? So you always have to reach over, think about what you're doing, and put the right headphone in the right ear. I just wanted to point that out real quick. Nice smaller footprint. I always thought this was a little big in my pocket, so this is probably gonna fit a little bit nicer in my pocket. I wish the lid was a little tighter. I hate that it just falls down on its own. The razor lid is a little more secure, feels solid. Now we're gonna test the mic quality. We're gonna see how that sounds. So let me load up the app and I'll be right back. All right guys, so I have the voice recorder app started up over here. I got one earbud in, so we're gonna go ahead and start the recording now and see how this sounds. All right guys, so I got the app recording. How does it sound? What do you think? Is the quality up to par? Does it sound clear? This is important. When you're talking to somebody on the phone, you want them to be able to hear you clearly. You don't want to hear all the background noise. Obviously, I don't have any noise going on now, but is the clarity there? Let's pop in the second headset real fast. All right, so now we got both headphones in. What do you think? Any better, any worse, cleaner, crisper, clearer? What's the verdict? Leave all the comments down below. That way we can have a nice discussion about what we're hearing here. That's it guys. Here's a reminder. I have 2 giveaways going on right now. I'm giving away 2 Realme Buds Air and the Weiwu FreeBuds 3 Pro in red. Time is running out. Make sure that you've entered the contest and you got all of your entries in. If you haven't already, follow me on Twitter, subscribe to the channel. That would be awesome. Give me a thumbs up and hit the bell. That way you'll get notified of my next video. Anyways guys, I am Dave the Phone Guy and I'll talk to you in the next one.